2025 Home Trends. Redefining elegance with blues and greens in modern luxury. Step into the realm of modern luxury with the captivating hues of blue and green. The must-have color trends for 2025. These timeless shades exude serenity and sophistication, redefining elegant interiors with their rich depth and unparalleled versatility. Imagine a statement wall painted in deep emerald, a plush velvet sofa in midnight blue, or soft sage accents meticulously placed throughout your decor. These colors harmoniously balance the allure of nature with the refinement of upscale living. Ideal for those who yearn for a home that embodies both a refreshing and opulent atmosphere. The combination of blue and green establishes a foundation for spaces that radiate effortless charm and sophistication. Incorporating blue and green into your interior design unfolds a realm of creative possibilities, allowing for the layering of textures and the enhancement of ambience. Envision a modern farmhouse kitchen adorned with sage green cabinetry, a coastal-inspired living room accented with navy blue details, or an elegant bedroom featuring drapes of luxurious teal velvet. These colors, far beyond mere aesthetic appeal, evoke feelings of calmness and stability, making them perfect for both minimalist and maximalist styles. When paired with warm wood tones, opulent gold accents, or the sleek finishes of marble surfaces, blue and green emerge as the quintessential luxury statement, enhancing any space with a touch that is both refined and inviting. Embracing this color trend transforms your home into a sanctuary of beauty and tranquility. Whether you're revamping a single room or curating a cohesive whole house palette, blending blues and greens with high-end materials like brushed brass, crystal lighting, and handcrafted decor ensures a breathtaking outcome. Let your home become a mirror of your personality, with each shade narrating a story of elegance and modern sophistication. Greet 2025 with interiors that are not only on trend, but are also an enduring expression of luxurious comfort and timeless appeal. In a rapidly evolving world, your home can be a steadfast pillar of style and serenity, with blues and greens leading the charge into a future defined by grace and indulgence.